Hey guys, what's up? Just coming back again with another trade review for October 4th, 2023. And today I had one single trade on CCL. And this morning overall, I was long biased and I have been using fib levels in relation to higher time frames on the SPY. And just so I can kind of get a general sense of where I feel the market will, or where the market is, or does it need a pullback? And I liked how it looked for a long. And so, going through my normal watch list, looking through my gappers, I have been I'm kind of changing my morning routine. Most of it remains the same. However, some of the way I look at stocks or specific tickers on my watch list, I've expanded my playbook. So I'm trading breakouts, pinpoints, reversals, and also looking at gappers for breakouts in relation to the order book. But what I liked today about CCL was there was a larger time frame, or it was on a larger time frame. I was looking at specifically the 200-day moving average in relation to the price action. And I like this because I believe that there are a lot of long-term swing traders, and Eamon has mentioned this as well, utilizing larger time frame, daily, weekly, with a bounce off the 200 or the 50. And it was around the 200-day moving average, and it formed a small range on the 1 minute and just kind of hovered around there. And I had this range mapped out on my 1 minute chart, and what I was looking for was some volume at the open. I wanted to see this level hold, in which it did, and you can see that we had a huge volume push here. And it was slightly wide to stop, but as soon as I saw this big volume come in and the orders on the order book, here's book map, CCL is still chopping around. It had a huge order at 1330. This coincides with the level that I was looking at on the 60. And I'm also using volume at price as well. And you can see there's really nothing in here. So I thought it would be an easy push to get at least to this previous day open, which was 1338. And I would exit the majority of my position here at 1338 and then hold it to 1350 or 1349, where that huge order was, which is still sitting on the book. And it didn't happen. But I did do rather well today. It was just an add up, and then my partials are a little bit larger now, so it was a 50-50, and I moved my stop to break even. Kind of calms my nerves a little, especially on big moves like this. But specifically, I was watching around the $13 level on the tape, and you can see the large orders come in. It held 13, and then quick pop, went parabolic, and then I got all out at this position. I was looking for a pullback. Like I said, SPY looks like it was going to be long today, and it is still green. It's above PDC. It just came back above PDC, but I was looking for a pullback as well. And there's so many times I've been in this situation where I tend to get a little bit too greedy, or I'll try and jump back in the trade, and it just ruins my whole day. It drains me mentally, robs me of my mental capital. And so what I've been doing is, on days like this, I will call it a one and done, even though I hate it when people say the one and dones. And then I'll just utilize my time to sift through some of my data, kind of see what setups have been working the best for me over the last 30, 60, 90 days. And then I'll focus on other aspects of the business. And that's it for today. So, if anybody has any questions, comments, please just shoot me a DM, Twitter, Instagram, or email, or you can just comment in the video below. And if you can, I know I've mentioned this before, I am trying to grow the channel. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe. I'm just trying to drive the number count up, but as well as help any kind of newer or intermediate traders that have any issues whatsoever with price action, technicals, building a watch list, any of the basic stuff. And like I said, or even intermediate, because I find, a year or two into the game, psychology plays a huge part in this. And yeah, that's it. So again, anyone has a question, feel free to email me anytime. Hope everybody had a great trading day. I'll see you soon.